Welcome to another Program City video. In this video, you'll learn how to use the AR Language Book. With augmented reality technologies, you can add a layer of enhancement to your real world. In this book, you can discover new languages. This digital AR language book combines visual learning with auditory cues as an immersive language discovery and learning approach. Scan the QR code with the camera on your device, then click on the link to open the experience. Once the experience is opened, click on the Launch button. Give it a few seconds to load. Now, enjoy learning new languages. You can click on the objects in the AR room to learn the pronunciations and spellings. Bonus step, explore. You might find some fun surprises around.
Ventana. Puerta. Aula.
Now you're ready to discover and learn a new language. And that's it for this video. We hope you loved the experience. Don't forget to check out the video tutorials on the website, programcityonline.org, to create your own immersive experiences. Thank you for watching.